Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see raw mango rice, which is very simple and easy to make. Since now is a mango season, so we'll see how to make this delicious and super easy raw mango rice. To prepare this raw mango rice, we required some raw mango grated, boiled rice, some peanuts, curry leaves, coriander leaves. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil get heat, just add the mustard seeds. After this, add half teaspoon of Bengal Gram and 1 teaspoon of Urad dal. Add in curry leaves and dried red chili. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dry roasted peanuts. Let this all saute for 2 minutes. Now add grated mango here. A pinch of turmeric. Mix it all together and let this saute for 2 minutes again. Now I'm adding 1 cup of boiled rice. Make sure you don't overcook the rice. Mix it all very gently and cook this for 2 minutes with closed lid. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves. Our super delicious raw mango rice is ready to serve. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel for more such recipes. This is a perfect lunchbox recipe you can prepare for your kids. Do try this recipe and share your experience in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.